Today we're going to do some furniture repair on my little nightstand next to our bed. We walked past the corner probably while we were vacuuming and knocked it off. So we're going to need some wax paper to put on the floor to keep the glue that we put on there from dripping. A couple clamps. I got a chisel to get the old adhesive cleaned off. So let's get back to work. Okay, we're going to start by getting all this old adhesive off of here. By the way, I'm using an old Kmart chisel that I've had for years. So that's got it cleaned off of the cabinet itself. Now I need to work on this piece. Just kind of doing a little shaving motion here. Okay, with that clean, now we'll use this wax paper to put underneath it so that if any glue drips, oh yeah, that's gonna fit perfect. I just use regular old wood glue, Titebond 2. This is water resistant. So first I'm going to get some down in this crack on the inside. I want to create a vacuum effect. Now what's left on here, I'm just going to wipe off on the unfinished portion and put this on like so. There we go. Okay, with that piece on there, I'm going to put this. Well, as you can see, it's holding, but I think the type of clamp that Laney sent Karen that could go around this entire nightstand, a strap clamp would be in the best application, but I don't have one, so we're just going to let this work like this. Thanks for watching. Here I'm just going to wipe off on the unfinished portion and put this on like so. There we go. Whoops.